Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to track progress towards your Lendingclub goal. Once you set a savings goal in Lendingclub, monitoring process is extremely simple. Let me show you. First step is to open the app. So log into your account using your credential. And once you're in, go to the goal sections on the savings. Next is to select the goal. So go ahead and tap the goal that you want to review, assuming of course that you have multiple, but if you don't, then it's the only one. Next step is to view progress bar. Now from there, you can just view the visual tracker that shows exactly how much you've saved compared to your target. You can also check the timeline, which you can see if you're on schedule based on your set deadline. And next is to review contributions. You can go ahead and look at past deposits and upcoming scheduled transfers to review your contributions so far. And of course, you can adjust if needed. Go ahead and update your targets, your deadline, or contributions frequency, all to stay on track. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.